The USS Arizona Memorial marks its 50th anniversary this month. The landmark serves as a solemn reminder of the lives lost in Pearl Harbor, and it draws over 1 million visitors each year. But as KITV4's Moani Keala-Navarro reports, the aging memorial is in need of extensive repairs.
Bombs dropping over Pearl Harbor on the morning of December 7, 1941 is a sight forever seared into survivor Alfred Rodriguez's mind.
You know, a lot of people call us heroes. We're not heroes. The heroes are the ones that are living in the bottom of the ocean today. Those are the heroes.
1,177 lives perished aboard the USS Arizona. And almost 50 years later, those lives are still honored at this floating memorial. But with more than 50 million visitors and years of weather and saltwater exposure, the time has come for a facelift.
About $700,000 worth of work, and that's one of the reasons we wanted to try and reach out to the community, invite them to come and join us in terms of helping us in getting this restoration project done.
The memorial raised $200,000 so far through donations and revenue sold inside the bookstore. After-hour tours are now available for purchase to help raise more funds. Aging skylights, flooring, roofing, and a deteriorating shrine wall fall under the restoration plans. The importance of upkeeping one of the nation's most treasured landmarks is evident here, but it's not just for its visitors. It runs much deeper than that.
The memorial is not solely dedicated to the crew of the Arizona, but to all of those that lost their lives on December 7th. And when you think of the 49 civilians that lost their lives, many of them young children killed by friendly fire, we owe it to their memory.
Moani Keala-Navarro, KITV4 News.
Tickets for an after-hour Pearl Harbor boat tour now on sale, with proceeds going towards the restoration. For more information, head to our website, kitv.com.